My name is Pushpalata. I completed my BE in PS College of Engineering with Information Science and Engineering stream with 7.48 CGPA. And after completion, I'll not doing any job for some years, and I'll next join Q Spiders and learn the taken testing course. And in this first, the manual testing class is taken by the Gopi sir and the Pradeep sir, and SDLC part by Niranjan Patil sir. It was really good, and boot camp and presentation is really helpful to interview answering while answering the interview, and it's really helpful. And that mock rating is it's really impacted how to get added to the requirements. And after that what are all that trainers are doing, all subjects is doing well, and teaching is really good, and all teachers are teaching subjects is really good. And thank you Q Spiders and all trainers.